Hello there, what's up? How are we doing today? So last week I did a video and talked about where to buy shares. I talked about different places in Europe, in Nigeria, and also in the US. Gave you different platforms on where you can actually buy shares. Now in this particular video, I'll be talking on how you can buy shares. There's so many people out there that do not actually understand the terminology when it comes to buying shares. So many people do not understand the difference between buying at the market price and also using the limit value. So in this video, I'll explain everything for yourself and make you understand so it will become easy for you to buy. Now, I use the Degiro myself. These terminologies are applicable on all the platforms I showed you previously. So whatever platform you're using is the same way you actually buy shares. Now, before I jump into the system and start showing you this different method, I will encourage you, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell and smash the like button, and do not forget to share this video. Now, without wasting much of your time, I'll just go straight in and show you how to buy shares. Now, in some countries the market is closed, like in the US the market is still closed. However, in Europe the market is open right now. So I'll use the market that is open, which is in Ireland, and show you this. So I'll just search for the name real quick, if in case you know the shares you're looking for. So I'll just say Bank of Ireland, for example. It comes here. So currently it's at 5.025, so the market is open and it's trading already. And if I want to buy, so I have some shares here already, but if I want to buy, just for the purpose of this video, I click on the buy button and we'll talk about the limit first. So the limit buy first. So let's say we want 100 of these shares to add to what we already have. Right now we have 110 of the shares. Let's say we want 100 more of these. All we need to do is just put in here the 100 and you come down here. Since you're buying limit, you may say, I don't want to buy for 5.03, or wait until this stock pulls back, and if it pulls back, I'll buy at the price of 4.50, so which is €4.50. So it works out to be 450. Now you have a day order here. The day order means that if within the trading hours today it comes down to 450, the market will sell for you, as in you will close this deal. However, if you do not if it does not come down to 450 before the end of the closing the trading day, what happens is that this cancels off completely. So you have to come back tomorrow and do the whole stuff. So in a situation like this, when you're using the limit order, it's best for you to use the GTC, which is good to clear. So once you have this, it could stay here for weeks even. Whenever it comes down to 4.50, that's when it clears. So that is the good thing. And once you have it down here, all you just need to do is place your order, and then it tells you what they're actually bidding for right now, which is the current bid in the market right now, which is 5.03 and the whole lot. And the fees, you see, when you're buying Irish shares using the Degiro, it's more expensive than when you're buying American stock. However, the fee here is $2.23. All you just need to do, if you're happy with this, you hit your confirm button and boom, that's you bought shares. Although this has not cleared because it's a limit value we just used. Now in the other sense, we could say, okay, we don't want the limit, what we want is the market. Now the market means that you're buying at the price that is being offered right now. So you're not waiting for it to pull back. All you just want to do is I can't wait, I want to buy my first stock. €5 is okay for me to buy. I don't have to wait for it to come to 450 afterwards, just 50 cents different. All you just need to do is come here, you put your 100 here, which is the quantity you want, and then you say there's no need for a GTC because you're buying it with the at the market value. So all you just need to do is you place your order here. It gives you a summary of that, the same fee, and then you hit your confirm button, and that's it. That's how you buy shares. That's the difference between the market and the limit. So if you're new to my channel, I'll encourage you, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell and smash the like button. Thank you very much, and do have yourself a wonderful day. Bye now.